Hello and welcome to Kuma's Kitchen. And what do we got tonight? Well, it's a potato salad. I call it Greek potato salad because I make it with, a kind of a tzatziki sauce. It's a little different from the usual tzatziki. I don't grate the cucumbers in. Instead, the cucumbers are in with the potatoes. That just makes for a fantastic salad. So we got potatoes, we got cucumbers, we got a kind of tzatziki sauce. Yeah, that'll do. All right, let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. For our ingredients for our Greek potato salad, well, what we've got across the front here, I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I've got a dash, that's like a really heavy pinch, like 2 pinches just about, of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of dill, dried dill. Then over here, 1 clove of garlic crushed, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, a 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and then back here, well, this is one of those Japanese cucumbers, Asian cucumber, a bit thinner, think about that big around, about that long, and just what I've done is chopped them up, so basically sliced them and quartered those, and basically that's about 2 cups worth there, if you're wondering about measurement size and all. All right, so if you don't want to use the ones with lots of seeds, so English cucumber is a good replacement for a Japanese cucumber if you can't get these. Over here, the potatoes. That's 1 pound of potatoes, and just cut up into pieces that are all one of the dimensions is about 1/2 inch or 12 millimeters. So they're about even, so they're going to cook evenly. Over here, I brought some water to a boil. Let's fire that up again. Now what I want to do is I want to add the potatoes, and I want to cook them. So I like to give them a little stir in there, get them going. So I'm going to boil those for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just get them cooked, but not too soft. I'll see you back then. All right. Potatoes are cooked. I've drained them and then just rinsed them with cold water until they're basically cooled down. They're down to room temperature. Now, what I'm going to do is put those off to one side right now. We're going to make the dressing. So, we're going to put yogurt into a big bowl. And add in the mayonnaise. All right. Kewpie mayonnaise, of course. And then the garlic. Throw that in there. Throw the pepper, salt, the dill. Oh, there we go. Saved. Now I'm going to whisk that together first before I add the other liquids there, because I want to make sure it all comes together nicely. Yeah, it did. Okay. In goes the oil. In goes the vinegar. Whisk that up a bit till we emulsify it. Just gets the oil into there so it's not separating. All right, that's done. Now, I'm going to toss the cucumbers in there. I'm going to toss the potatoes in there. And we're basically, you can see the finishing line, we're just about done. Now, just tossing it around until everything's coated. Oh yeah. One of the things you're going to notice, as compared to when we make a potato salad with mayonnaise and stuff, mayonnaise and stuff, seasonings and little dill pickle or whatever that I usually use. It's going to be a little bit runnier because of the yogurt. So when you're going to serve this up, use a spoon, serve them into a bowl, and make sure that each person gets a little bit of the liquid too. And then it's time for Greek potato salad. All right, if you like this Greek potato salad recipe, well, stick around and check out the channel because there's a hella lot more recipes here. And they're all original Kevin Riley and recipes I've inspired by all kinds of weird ideas I get, fusing different ideas together. Oh, there it goes, dropping off. And also make sure that you're subscribed and that you've got click that notification bell because you don't want to miss out because there's a new one coming out every week. All right, now go. Make this and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.